Club po. Sana po marami pa po silang matulungan na tulad namin na wala ding service sa pang-araw-araw. At sana po, higit pa po yung may tulong nila sa mga taong nangangailangan. Maraming po salamat. God bless po.
Rotacart was conceptualized, I think, about 4 to 5 years. That's during the pandemic. Para bang ang mga tao noon is naka-freeze. Ang mobility is napakahirap during that time. Naisip namin, why not consider this mga small vendors natin, which is lodge within the sidewalks. We consider their mobility. That's why, di ba may symbol yung Rotary natin, which is it's just like this one. So it's just like a wheel. So that's why doon nag-evolve yung idea na why not Rotacart?
Actually, yung Rotacart is a long dream project of the Rotary Club for us to be able to answer the clamor of our marginalized sector. Very fulfilling for me. At least, naging makatotohanan na siya, naging inspirasyon sa marami.
Maganda yung pagtitinda ng mga katulad ng mga nagtitinda lang ng sabihin na natin buko o palamig. Medyo nagkaroon ng dignidad yung mga maliliit natin na kababayan na gustong maghanap buhay katulad nila.
Malaking tulong po itong binigay sa aming Rotacart.
Stand as one, hand in hand, each other.